Meet Connect, the patient communication and billing platform built specifically for RPM and RTM practices. What you're about to see is a real, working copy of Connect. Every screen, every feature. Nothing here is a mockup. We're going to walk through exactly how your practice would use it, starting the moment a patient's text comes in, all the way through to a billing-ready report. Every practice on Connect gets its own dedicated text number. Patients text this number directly, or they can use the active SOS app we supply. It's just SMS, which means it works for every patient, on every phone, every time. That's the whole design philosophy behind Connect. Meet patients where they already are. When a patient texts in, it lands here, in the message queue. This is a pure triage list. Everything that needs a human eye in one place, sorted by urgency. Connect automatically flags anything that looks like it needs immediate attention, an SOS-style alert or language suggesting a medical concern, and puts it at the top. Your staff can review a message, escalate it, or reply directly, all without leaving this screen. And when they do reply, that conversation doesn't clutter this queue. It moves into the patient's own two-way message thread, so the triage list always stays focused on what's new and what's next. Every patient's full record lives here. Contact info, billing mode, assigned doctor, and their complete two-way conversation history in one view. Staff can add a new patient in seconds, right from this screen. And when your practice comes on board, you won't have to enter your existing patient roster by hand. We load it for you, all at once, so day 1 already looks like day 100. This is where follow-up actually gets tracked. Every to-do can be tied to a specific patient. Send a referral, confirm a medication change, schedule a call back, with a priority, a due date, and an owner. Nothing falls through the cracks because nothing has to live in someone's head or a sticky note. It's all here, visible to the whole team. Now, the part every RPM and RTM practice cares about: billing. Connect tracks qualifying activity automatically, messages, check-ins, staff time, and rolls it up against the CPT code thresholds that actually determine what's billable. No spreadsheets, no manual minute counting at the end of the month. The system already knows. When it's time to document or submit, Connect's reporting covers what you actually need: monthly billing summaries, CPT and ICD-10 breakdowns, alert transaction logs, even a full EHR export, all generated in a couple of clicks. And here's the feature we're most excited about: AI patient analysis. Pick any patient, and Connect's AI reads through their entire alert and message history and gives your doctor a clear, structured read, a criticality rating, so you know at a glance if this patient is high, medium, or low concern. A pattern summary, surfacing what's actually changed over time. Key concerns worth a second look. And a recommended next action. It even ranks every patient in your practice by risk, so your care team always knows who needs attention first, instead of hunting through message threads to figure that out themselves. This is Connect doing the interpretation work, not just the record keeping. That's Connect. One number for your patients to text, one queue for your staff to triage, and billing and reporting that build themselves in the background. If you'd like to see this running with your own practice's data, we'd love to show you.